Hello and welcome back. Today we're diving into something truly fascinating, the hidden spiritual energies of each day from Monday to Sunday. This is more than just your typical daily routine. It's about aligning your actions with the cosmos to amplify your intentions and manifest your desires. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe. Hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Now let's dive in. Picture this, you're about to start your week with a clean slate, a new set of 7 days filled with possibilities. But what if these days hold more than just ordinary time? What if they possess unique spiritual energies that can influence your life in profound ways? Welcome to our video where we unravel the hidden spiritual energies of Monday to Sunday, empowering you to make the most of every day. Get ready to transform your perspective on time itself and discover how you can harness these energies for personal growth, abundance, and spiritual evolution. As we explore each day, keep an eye out for patterns and connections. You might be surprised by the insights that resonate with your own experiences. Take notes, reflect, and see how these energies play out in your life. By understanding the spiritual essence of each day, you can align your actions, thoughts, and intentions to maximize their potential and manifest your desires more effectively. It's like having a cosmic guide that whispers the best way to approach each day. Now let's dive into the first day of our journey, Monday. Mondays are often seen as the start of a fresh chapter. They come with a clean slate full of promise. But did you know there's a deeper spiritual energy at play here? According to ancient wisdom, Mondays are connected to the moon, representing intuition, emotions, and the subconscious mind. This lunar energy sets the tone for the week ahead. So how can you harness this energy to your advantage? Start by tuning into your intuition. Trust your gut feelings and inner guidance. This is a day to connect with your emotional side, nurturing yourself and others with kindness and empathy. It's also an excellent time for introspection and setting intentions. Reflect on your goals and dreams, and clearly define what you want to manifest in the coming days. Write down your intentions and visualize them into existence. Embrace the lunar energy of Mondays and watch as your desires begin to unfold. Next up, we have Tuesday. Tuesdays are linked to Mars, the planet of action, courage, and vitality. This energetic planet infuses Tuesdays with a dynamic spirit that can propel you forward towards your goals. To harness this energy, it's essential to tap into your inner drive and take bold steps towards your aspirations. Whether it's tackling a long-awaited project or pursuing a daring adventure, embrace the warrior spirit of Mars and face your challenges head-on. But remember, balance is key. Channel your energy wisely, avoiding impulsive actions that could lead to unnecessary conflicts. Nurture your physical body through exercise and movement, keeping your vitality in check. As you align yourself with the fiery energy of Tuesday, you'll find an unstoppable force within you ready to conquer new heights. Wednesdays are under the influence of Mercury, the planet of communication, intellect, and travel. This celestial connection brings a unique energy to the day, making it ideal for activities related to learning, connecting with others, and exploring new horizons. To harness the power of Mercury on Wednesdays, focus on clear and effective communication. Express your thoughts and ideas with precision, whether in writing, speaking, or simply listening. Engage in intellectual pursuits such as reading, solving puzzles, or engaging in thought-provoking conversations. Embrace the curiosity and love for learning that Mercury encourages. Additionally, this day holds a special affinity for travel and exploration. So if you have the opportunity to embark on a journey, whether near or far, seize the moment. Explore new places, cultures, and perspectives. Open your mind to the wonders that await you. As you immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of Mercury on Wednesdays, you'll unlock new levels of understanding, connection, and adventure. Thursdays are linked to Jupiter, the planet of abundance, expansion, and good fortune. This celestial association imbues Thursdays with a positive energy that can attract prosperity and success. To harness Jupiter's influence, focus on gratitude for the blessings already present in your life and cultivate a mindset of abundance. Set financial goals and take actions aligned with achieving them. Whether it's seeking new income streams, investing, or managing your resources wisely, stay open to the opportunities that come your way. Embrace the adventurous spirit of Jupiter and be willing to explore new possibilities. Take calculated risks and trust that the universe will support your growth. As you align yourself with the expansive energy of Jupiter on Thursdays, you'll open the doors to greater wealth, happiness, and fulfillment. Now let's talk about Fridays. Fridays are associated with Venus, the planet of love, beauty, and harmony. This celestial connection brings a day filled with romantic possibilities, creative inspiration, and social connections. To harness the energy of Venus on Fridays, nurture your relationships, whether it's spending quality time with loved ones, planning a romantic date, or simply expressing your affection. Embrace acts of kindness and generosity, spreading love and positivity to those around you. Indulge in self-care, pampering yourself and enhancing your natural beauty. And don't forget to appreciate the beauty in everyday moments. As you align yourself with the harmonious energy of Venus on Fridays, you'll attract more love, grace, and connection into your life. Saturdays are dedicated to Saturn, the planet of discipline, structure, and responsibility. This connection brings a grounded energy that encourages reflection, organization, and a commitment to your goals. To harness Saturn's energy, focus on self-discipline and goal setting. Dedicate this day to working on long-term projects, establishing routines, and creating order in your life. Take responsibility for your actions and commitments, honoring your obligations to yourself and others. It's also a time for introspection and acknowledging areas where you can improve. Embrace the lessons that come your way and use them as stepping stones to greater success. As you align yourself with the disciplined energy of Saturn on Saturdays, you'll build a strong foundation for your aspirations and achieve lasting fulfillment. Finally, we have Sundays. Sundays are under the influence of the sun, the source of life, energy, and vitality. This celestial connection makes it a day filled with warmth, joy, and the opportunity for renewal. To harness the power of the sun on Sundays, start by setting intentions for the week ahead. Visualize your goals and dreams as you greet the day with a positive mindset. Engage in activities that bring you happiness and nourish your soul, such as spending time in nature, practicing gratitude, or simply relaxing and recharging your batteries. This is also a great time for self-care, including healthy eating, exercise, and getting plenty of rest. Remember to stay connected to your inner light and let it guide you towards a fulfilling week. As you embrace the radiant energy of the sun on Sundays, you'll feel rejuvenated and ready to shine your light brightly. And there you have it, a cosmic guide to harnessing the unique spiritual energies of each day from Monday to Sunday. By understanding the energies at play and aligning our actions accordingly, we can maximize the potential of every day. Remember, you hold the power to shape your experiences and manifest your desires. So embrace the energies of the cosmos and let them be your allies on your journey towards personal growth, abundance, and spiritual evolution. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button below. Share this knowledge with friends and family who could benefit from it. And as always, thank you for joining us on this incredible journey of discovery. Until next time, stay connected to the energies of the cosmos and embrace the magic of every day.